Welcome to 103 Screen Road in Interlachen, Florida, where a charming farmhouse awaits you. Priced at $215,900, this single-family residence offers a cozy retreat with 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a total of 1,112 square feet of living space. Step inside and discover the delightful updates that make this home truly special. The farmhouse has been lovingly refreshed with new doors and a fresh coat of paint throughout. The spacious living area is bathed in natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for you and your loved ones. And speaking of the kitchen has been tastefully upgraded with brand new cabinets and countertops, giving you the perfect space to whip up your favorite meals. As you explore further, you'll find the 3 comfortable bedrooms, each providing a tranquil haven for rest and relaxation. The bathroom has been designed with both style and functionality in mind, ensuring your daily routines are a breeze. But that's not all. This farmhouse has even more to offer. With a durable metal roof and a newer HVAC system, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your home is well equipped for the seasons ahead. And don't forget the expansive 1.25-acre lot that this charming home sits on. Imagine the possibilities for outdoor activities, gardening, and to create your own oasis. Plus, the property boasts a frontage along State Road 20, ensuring easy access to nearby amenities and destinations. So whether you're seeking a serene getaway or a cozy permanent residence, 103 Screen Road offers the perfect blend of comfort and charm. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Contact us today to schedule your private viewing of this charming farmhouse in Interlachen, Florida. My name's Kendall Gervais with Magnolia Homestead Realty. If you need help with lending or you want to go see some houses, please reach out to us.